Hello traders, this is Zicheng here once again with another video. I'm one of the lecturers in Trading.life. In this video, I will be sharing you the price action trading strategy. Before we start, I hope you can first press the like button, share it with your friends, and lastly, subscribe. Thank you for the support and let's get started. Let us begin our video on price action trading strategy. So what's this about price action? I'm sure many of you have heard of price action before. Even I myself would prefer using price action over indicators. So what is exactly price action? In simple words, price action is basically a story told by candlesticks. So you may be wondering, how is it possible? How can candlesticks tell us a story? It is something that is dead on the charts. It has no life. So let me show you over here. Right here, we have a AUD JPY chart. So we have this would be higher low. Let me re-edit it. So we can see price is forming higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. What does this tell us? It tells us that the price is going up, because when it comes to trading, there's only two possibilities. Price either goes up or price either goes down. So in this scenario, we can see that the price is actually going higher, and once it has reached a certain point, it started reversing and price decides to go lower right now, forming lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So it tells us that it's a seller market right now. So this is actually what we can understand from price action. So what is the next type of story where candlesticks can tell us? So right here, what do we have? We can see that I've highlighted this area of candlesticks into a box. So what does this tell us? This tells us that there is indecision in the market right now. So what is indecision? It means that there is no stronger buyer or there is no stronger seller. They are equal in strength. So this is why the price is actually bouncing between a support and also a resistance. So we can see this is what the candlestick is telling us. For now, this current time, between this timing to this timing, there is no one that is actually controlling the market. They are both equal in strength. So can you see this? How price can also tell us, price action can also tell us if there is indecision in the market. Besides that, what is the next type of story that price action can tell us? So the next type of story the price action can tell us is that it can tell us which place or which zone is the support level or which zone is actually the resistance. So as we can see here, price went up very aggressive here. We have a huge bullish candlestick, but the moment it reached this price or this area, price stopped going up, which means that this level is restricting or resisting price from going up. So this is an area, for example, like a ceiling. It is stopping the price. Can you see? Right now, I'm actually telling you a story. At first, price was moving up very aggressive to this area and it got rejected and started pushing lower to the downside. And right now, we can see price have been moving down very aggressively. But the moment when it reached this area of support, price got supported and it is rejecting price from going lower. So we can know that this zone is a zone that we can call the support. And look what happened. Price got rejected from this area and started moving towards the upside. So this is why price action is very important, because it can tell us the whole story, whereas indicators actually can't. It can only tell you whether price is oversold or overbought, which is not enough. Candlesticks are always the best because they are clean and they are latest. There is no delay, there is no lag, there is no formula involved. That's it for this video. I hope you have fully understand what I was trying to share. However, if you do have any doubts, Do ask questions in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them. Besides that, I also host live streams every single day in Trading.live. So if you are interested, feel free to join me there. Thanks for watching till the end. Hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye and trade safe.